Here's how to use a Konjac Root Sponge from 7 angles. This sponge is soft and gentle for any type of face, leaving your face new and refreshed. To use, number 1, get some warm water. This cleans the bacteria on the sponge and gets it soft, gentle, and ready for your face. The Konjac Root Sponge has lots of benefits, but first, dunk your sponge in the water and let it soak until it expands. The konjac in the sponge evens the pH levels of your skin and cleans out impurities, clogged pores, and sebum. Konjac is also natural, which is safe for even a baby's skin. The sponge gently exfoliates the skin, and it is not abrasive. This sponge leaves your face clean and radiant. Now, douse your hands in the water and wet your face with some of the warm water to get your face supple for the sponge. Keep wetting your face until the warm water is being absorbed by your skin. Make sure there is no makeup on your face as well. Keep that hair off your face. You want your face nice and clean. Better yet, take a shower before cleaning your face, or do this in the shower. Keep doing this until your face is nice and wet. Now, squeeze your sponge from excess water and wipe your face in circular motions to get your blood vessels running more in your face. This helps rejuvenate the skin, allowing all the minerals and oxygen to your face. The Konjac Root Sponge also promotes growth of new skin cells, which helps even out the skin tone of your face. Lastly, clean your sponge in warm water and let it soak to get rid of the bacteria. Now, repeat the process if you like. The konjac also removes and prevents blackheads, so it's always good to use and repeat every day in the morning and in the afternoon. It also kills acne-causing bacteria. It has natural healing properties and restores your skin's health and prevents aging. If your face is dry, the sponge also helps in moisturizing the skin. If you want to clean your face with soap or a cleanser, you can add it to the sponge to clean your face. Just make sure that you clean your sponge regularly. When you are finished, hang up your sponge where there is low moisture. This keeps your sponge from growing bacteria. The sponge will shrink when it dries, and that is normal. This is because it is made out of fiber. If you want to buy Konjac Root Sponges, check out 7angles.com. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for some deals, tips, and info for beauty, fitness, and well-being.